Alright, so welcome to How to Chart. So we're gonna get right into it. Charting just like Nat pretty much. Well, as much as we can. So we start by getting the key levels on the 1 hour, and we scale down to the 15 minute, and then we trade on the 3 minute. So key levels are a mixture of common highs and lows that price likes to stick around. Like right here, this is a key level. See, since we have a touch right here, and a touch right there, used it as support and then resistance. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna do that a few more times. See right here, this is a nice little resistance here. Resistance, resistance, support, resistance. Resistance is on top, support's on bottom. So this is resistance. So that's pretty good. So we don't have to do it anymore really. Actually, we can put that one since we have this as some nice resistance, some nice support. All right. Since there's really nothing down here except this, I can actually mark this one. We're gonna have to scroll back in time to see. Oh yeah, this is some nice support down here. Nice little key level there. Actually, it doesn't matter if it's accurate. No, it has to be accurate, but it doesn't. You don't have to be super precise. Like, I could put this right here. I could move this up to here since we have some nice little not support resistance right here. And this is a nice little key level resistance support pops up pretty good. This is also support resistance right here. Resistance. Pretty nice. Pretty good. Alright, so that's good on the hour. Now we can scale down to the 15 minute. Alright, let's zoom out. So right here I can already see that this would be a nice one right here. This would be a nice key area, key level right here. Since we have we have a lot of highs and lows in there. Oh, this would be a nice one. This one as well. This one right here, since we have this right there. So zoom in. Yeah, this is real nice. We can actually look at that one as well. Let's move back. See if we can find some more. Oh yeah, right here. Perfect. Very nice. Okay, we can mark that one out. Move it around here since we have this as support. Breaks down, resistance, breaks through, support, breaks through. So that was pretty good. We can mark this as well. We can mark this one. We can mark this. Yep, pretty nice key levels here. We got one, two. Let's see, we use it as resistance right there. Pretty nice. Yep, these are some good levels for puts. Some nice price targets. Well, I'll get to that. Let's scroll. Let's see. Then I'm going to show how to use it in real time. So, I'm actually use this one as this one can be a key level as well. Let me, so price starts. Okay. Okay, so price starts up here. I'm actually mark this one as a demarker. Okay. Yeah, so that's pretty good. So I'll mark out. So let's say price is up here. Let's see. this would be our bottom. That would be our top one. But I'll get to that. Let's just focus on marking out the key levels still. Pretty good. This one could be one as well. This one. Yeah, that would be a nice little one right here and right there. So as of now, we should be good on key levels. Let me just space them out. Pretty good. Let's get that right there. This right here. And let me actually delete some of these. That one right there. Let's see. Yeah, that was good. But yeah. So now we have our chart. We just have to color them. So what I do is hold down Control and then click my left click and drag all these. And then I have them preset. You can do this. Make them whatever color you want. But I usually have them as that red. And then I keep the calls as blue. So pretty much I could change it. So not put, so I have calls, my calls price targets. And I make these yellow so I can know, so I could differentiate it pretty much. This would be our puts level, this would be our calls level. So pretty much when price opens up, so we start on the 3 minute, we trade on the 3 minute. Let's get that open, really nice open. Okay. So right now, we can actually see that it broke trend. So let's see about this momentum. Okay. It's not really doing much. It's still in between our zone. When it's in between here, wouldn't really look for any positions. You want to see it break that, which is your calls level. And you have your puts level down here. So that was nice. Okay, we get our, so we reject right on our calls level. Let's see if we can break through. We have a nice trend going. We can follow that, see if it holds up. And if not, we can enter on that break, or we can wait for it to go below that if it does. So pretty good. So we do end up getting that break of trend, so we can actually, even though it did go above our calls level, that wouldn't have been, it would have been a nice little scalp, but not really. You could have gotten in on that break, stop loss under here, price target wherever you want. But me personally, I would take this break. This was a nice break right here. Have your stop loss above those highs. Target this low maybe. So yep, so that would hit pretty nice. And let's see. Yep, pretty good. Went all the way to our puts level. And let's see how it goes from there. Yep, that would have been nice. We see a nice little momentum candle right here. We can get into puts on here as well. On the close of this, you don't want it passing that. You can aim for your price target 1 or your price target 2. It's up to you, as long as you're taking profits and trimming along the way. PT1. PT2. Let's see. Nice. And we hit our first price target. Let's see if we can aim for the second one. There it is. Yep, we'll get our second price target. Then at this point, you can get out or stay in until break even. So we have two nice puts right here. We have one break, nice break, and we break our puts zone with some nice momentum. So with that, we could just delete those. Actually, I'm gonna keep them up. So with that, we get a nice pump at the end of the day. That was unexpected, so that's why we need to be taking our trim, take our profits when we can. But yep, that is pretty much how to chart. And yep, hold on. Actually, I'm gonna show one more thing. So pretty much you see how there's a trend right here. It's a nice little trend. And we end up going down. Later on throughout the day, we break it with some nice momentum. We can actually get in right here on this candle. Have our stop loss right there somewhat. And then we could target either this high right here or this high right here. So yep, that's pretty good. That would have been some nice money at the end of the day. Yep. But yes, that is pretty much how to chart breakouts and key levels.